Okay, if you want to turn something in and you're ready, go up to your web address, highlight it, copy it, go to Canvas, click on the All About Me project, and then scroll down just a little bit, and you're going to click Reply. And inside this box right here, you're going to click on the link to your URL and then just paste the link. Click Insert, and if you want, you can type my all about me project. Okay, you can highlight that if you want. Go back up to the link and insert your link once again. And there it is. Okay, I can maybe do something like that. And then I can post my reply. Okay, there it is. That is how you can turn in your assignment. If you have a Prezi, you can do the exact same thing and turn in your assignment by posting the web address.